You, no, that's the right shape. You put it inside the box. Yes, it's the right one. Just put it properly, oh. There you go. Yes, the star. What's that? Okay, you put it in the circle. Very good. Oh, that's the right shape. It's the right shape. You put it there. No. Yes, no. You put the diamond here. This one. Oh, that's the right shape. Put it properly. Yes, that's the right one. Very good. No, that's not the right shape, babe. Find the shape, babe. Find the rectangle. Where's the rectangle? Baby. The square. Put the square in the box. Yes, that's the one. Play. That's not the right shape. Find that shape, babe. It's not the right one. Oh, here. Look, oh. You need to do this. Here. What's that? Yay! No? No? Yes, no. Find the square. That's not the square. No, yes. That's the oblong. That's the one. Put it here, oh, this one. You put it here. You say good morning, Abe. No more yayay, Babing. Babing, no more. No more yayay. You say hi. You say hi. You say bye-bye na lang. Bye-bye. Okay, you say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No more yayay. What are you doing? Why are you throwing your shapes, babe? Bye-bye. You say good morning. Okay, you sing good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Yay! Now you dance, Pearly Shelby. Pearly shell from the ocean. Hey! Shining in the sun, covering the shore. You say bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Tiga, no more. Shh. Baby, no more. Hey, no more. Yayay. No more yayay, babe. No more. Circle. What's that? Rectangle. No, that's not the right shape. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Well, very good. No, that's not the right one. Here, let me help you. This one. No, this one. No. Diamond? Yes, that's the right one. Put it properly, like this. Yay! Tiga my name. Bye-bye. Here's the star.